More news is coming in at this point in time. Doctors have hit the streets of Kolkata. Justice for Abhaya protest continues. With the Supreme Court directive to join duty, doctors continue to sit on a protest. We'll get a sense from our reporters on the ground. This is a dharna that is being held in Kolkata right now with the Supreme Court of India also saying that the doctors must join back duty. Ritik is back with us for more on that. Ritik, what are the doctors at this point in time thinking, given that the court has directed, asking them to join back duty by 5 this evening, but they're still on a protest?
Well, what we are learning that they are not in a position to bow down at this point in time, and let me show you what exactly happening at the doorstep of the Swasthya Bhavan. We are bringing this live broadcast at Kolkata's Salt Lake area. As you can see that now the protesters and the junior doctors are marching towards the Swasthya Bhavan. Remember, there are 3 new demands have been made by the protesters. They want resignation of the 3 top officials of the health department and they also demand for the immediate resignation of the health secretary of the state amid the situation when they continue to fight for the justice over a death and a murder and rape of a 31-year-old junior doctor. As you can see, police now there has been a huge barricade being set up by the police. Police deployment has been done. Bandobast says that how police are prepared. They are not anyway to allow this protester. Now, what action they might take? Now, sources inside the junior doctors, they have decided, they told us that they have decided to continue this this protest until their demands being fulfilled. Because remember, there is a deadline given by the Apex Court to the junior doctors that they should get back to work. But they have decided, they have fixed another ultimatum for the West Bengal government with the new 3 demands, as I earlier mentioned. Remember, they want speedy trial. They want clarity over the thing that what exactly could happen and why this lady or doctor was murdered and killed. What was the motive behind this crime? And the commissioner should resign from the post. I mean, commissioner of police. Now, what we can see, we continue to bring this live broadcast. We can see that any moments now, this protest march will arrive at the doorstep of health department here in Salt Lake area. Police barricaded them. We do understand that the preparedness are done.
Ritik, I'll come back to you in a moment from now. Even as you send us those pictures of the doctors who are protesting, they've been asked by the Supreme Court of India to join back duty.